What's up, all you wonderful cosplayers and prop masters? So I have printed another mini version of the lever action rifle I've been working on. I did some updates on it. I'm trying to see if I successfully got the pin inside to pivot the lever action. Now I've printed out just that segment of the prop rifle, and so far it's looking promising. This is in a slightly smaller scale, but nowhere near as small as this little tiny one. But I just wanted to see if it would work on this little one. Because if it does, then it should definitely work on the full size. But anyway, I'm going to very gingerly take this off these supports here. Or take the supports off of it. This is the part that scares me. The lever action in this mini scale is very thin. Pretty sure I already broke it. Here. It's like 2 in the morning. I don't know why I do this to myself. Anyway, yes, I have certainly broken the lever. The supports just kind of envelop it a little bit more than I'd hoped. But that's not even the point of this one. This one was to check to see if I can get it to properly pivot. Oh yeah, see that? Which means that when I print it in full scale, it'll work even better. But if I can get it to do that in this mini scale, then I'd call that a win. Heck yeah. So now, one of the other adjustments I made on it was I made the barrels bigger, thicker than I did before, and also a little bit longer. So anyway, yeah, I'm excited. Because like I said, if it's working properly at this scale, and also at these scales, then the full print should be just exactly what I need it to be. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be good to each other out there, and as always, be inspired.